alligator, 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 strong and green. B is for butterfly, 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 so serene. C is for cat, 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 with whiskers so fine. D is for dog, 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 a friend that's divine. From A to Z, the words we find, a universe of animals, one of every kind. Let us shine, they set us free, exploring nature's diversity. E is for elephant, 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 big and grand. F is for fox, 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 in the forest land. G is for gorilla, 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 strong and wise. H is for horse, 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 under open skies. From A to Z, the words we find, a universe of animals, one of every kind. Let us shine, they set us free, exploring nature's diversity. I is for ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, so sweet and cold. J is for jaguar, 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 fast on the trail. K is for kangaroo, 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 hopping all day. L is for lion, lion, lion of the way. M is for monkey, 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 swinging in trees. N is for narwhal, 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 swimming in seas. O is for owl, 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 wise in the night. P is for penguin, 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 in snow so white. Q is for quail, 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 with feathers so bright. R is for rabbit, 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 hopping in delight. S is for snake, 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 slithering near. T is for turtle, 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 so slow but dear. U is for unicorn fish, unicorn fish, unicorn fish under the sea. V is for vulture, 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 soaring so free. W is for wolf, 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 howling at the moon. X is for X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra, shining in the lagoon. Y is for yak, 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 strong and tough. Z is for zebra, 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 with stripes so rough.